Do you want to maintain a healthy lawn naturally? Welcome to our journey into sustainable gardening. Imagine saving money, reducing your environmental footprint, and promoting healthier soil. Stay tuned to learn how to keep your lawn looking lush, green, and healthy without the use of harmful chemicals. Start by preparing your lawn. The foundation for any thriving green space begins with soil testing. Knowing your soil's pH and nutrient levels is key to understanding what it needs. Next, aerate your lawn. This process allows air to circulate better around the grass roots, promoting healthier growth. Lastly, wage war on those pesky weeds. You can choose to remove them manually or opt for organic weed killers. Either way, it's essential to keep your lawn weed-free. Remember, a well-prepared lawn is the first step towards a healthy lawn. Now let's dive into natural lawn care techniques. Composting is a great place to start. It enriches the soil by adding nutrients and beneficial microbes, giving your lawn a lively, verdant glow. Next, consider mulching. It not only conserves moisture, but also suppresses weeds and maintains soil temperature. Organic fertilizers are another wonderful option. They slowly release nutrients into the soil, promoting a steady, healthy growth. Watering your lawn is crucial, but remember, it's better to water deeply and infrequently. This encourages the grass to grow deep roots, making it more drought-tolerant and robust. And when it comes to mowing, go high. Keeping your grass a bit taller shades the soil, which helps prevent weed seeds from sprouting and also promotes deeper root growth. These simple, natural techniques can make a big difference in the health and appearance of your lawn. Maintaining a healthy lawn doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Embrace the beauty of natural lawn care. It's not just beneficial for your backyard, but also for the environment. Give it a go and watch your lawn thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Remember, every green thumb starts with a little dirt.